Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about cards, which is a new airdrop on Telegram. Well, it actually launched I'll say last month, and this is September right now. So I decided to make a video concerning it for those who haven't heard about it on my channel. Before I dive right into the video, I want you to go ahead and click the link in my description below so you can go ahead and get started with cards. With that said, let's dive into the video. Basically, as you can see on my screen, I'm on BitGet, and BitGet will give us few information about cards. The link would actually be in my description below so you can go through it, whereby you can learn more about cards. You can get to know what cards is about. And by the way, nobody knows about the founders of or the founders behind cards, and they are VCs, no VCs, and they only have partners with Rose NFT, Nomis, and the likes of other partners. And if you scroll down, you can also see more information about them and stuff they're actually trying to build for the community, which is AI cards photo analyzer, which is actually live right now. All right, the AI cards and photo analyzer is actually live. So if you have a card, you can actually go ahead and snap your cards and you get a cards token for sharing your card photo. And why this token was actually built is because they want to bring something much better than the dogs. And to most of us who have claimed dogs and we've been able to make few dollars out of it, kudos to us. This is the next opportunity for you to grab right now, which is the cards, whereby you're going to get a lot of things from it. And it's similar to that of dogs, where it just analyze your account's age, messages, and the likes, and it gives you the amount. It allocates some amount of cards to you, which is very, very easy. So with that said, let me go to the so this is the Telegram account, so you can see information about you can see information about cards on their Telegram. You can see the amount of subscribers they have right now. They have about 12 million plus subscribers that are actually making use of this. And let me show you. Let me open the cards and click on it. So if I click on it, to tell me, I don't know if it's gonna work on my on my desktop. Okay, it actually worked. So as you can see right here, this amount of cards I have right now, I have about 3,515 cards. And in order for you to get more cards, all you need to do is to go ahead and complete tasks. All right, right here you're going to see a lot of tasks. You can go ahead and complete all these tasks and you're going to get cards. So let me show you the AI photo analyzer, which is this section, the avatar section. And all you just have to do is to click on upload your cards, and it's going to bring a pop-up where you have to upload your cards, and that's all. It's going to give you some amount of cards. And you can also invite your friends. The only way for you to earn more cards token is for you to invite your friends, just as we did with dogs, whereby if you want to get millions of cards, you have to invite people. All right, which means you come here, you get your referral link and you share it with friends, and they're going to join, and when they join, you get some cards. And you can see with that board, you can see some people have about 20 million cards, some have about 18 million. And trust me, when this launch, you're probably going to be hearing they've made about $1,000, $2,000, $30,000 from these things. Just as I think when dogs launched, even if a few of my friends had about I think they had about 20 something thousand 20 something thousand dogs, and they were able to get about $100 out of it. So yes, you can actually make close to $100 or more than $100 depending on how much they're going to list this particular token. All right, so with that said, I think that's all you need to know. And you can also go ahead and connect your BitGet wallet. All you just have to do is to download the BitGet mobile app, and I have the BitGet mobile app on my phone right now. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do that. I'll tap on cards, then I'll click on it. It's going to bring the pop-up. Then the next thing you're going to do is to scroll down and click on complete, and click on the BitGet logo. Click on the BitGet logo, and once you click on it, it's going to pop up the BitGet wallet that you have installed, and it's going to show you this old turn connecting. Then you click on approve. Then you just have to put whatever you want. So I'll just put whatever I want. So I think I've done that. Now it's connecting. So it says connecting to your wallet. So as you can see, connected. So now I can return back to the site, and as you can see, continue to BitGet. I don't know, it's just loading. Let me click that again. It just keeps showing continue in BitGet, and I've done that a few times and it's still not working. All right, so I think maybe there's an issue with cards. So I'm just going to leave that, and I'll show you on my screen. So I'll go to the bit. This is the cards pre-market, and it's currently live, and people are actually trading, whereby you can trade based on the assets we're seeing right here. All right, you can see why then people are actually trading. You can see the transaction histories and everything. You can see them right here. So that's it, guys. I think that's it on everything you need to know about cards. If you found the video really helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and also don't forget to share. And like I said, you can use my cards link, invite link in the description below if you want to go ahead and start getting few cards. So I'll see you guys in the next video.